Ever given a thought on styling your living room or in a dilemma of how this can be done effectively? If you're new here, hi, this is Ishwari Desai, architect, co-founder of the studio The Rough Book. Today we're starting with a new playlist on this channel which will deal with architecture and interior design tips and tricks to elevate your home. So let's start the first video, that is 5 ideas to elevate your small living room to a larger and a spacious one. To start with, let's understand the sizes and the dimensions of the living room. It can vary from a minimum to 10 feet by 7 feet to a smaller one that is 13 feet by 10 feet and to a medium one that is 18 feet by 12 feet like you can see in the above image, and can go beyond in addition with spaces like dining and kitchen in case of open planning. So like you can see the tiny one, there is space only for a 2-seater and a chair. The second one, there is room for a 2-seater and double chairs, and in the medium one there is room for a spacious U-shaped sofa seating in addition to a smaller dining table. So in these cases, the first tip that is enhanced in your living room is a focal point. Focal point is nothing but something which speaks out your character, like focusing on an object or a piece and everything else revolves around it. Usually in all the Indian homes, the TV is the focal point and everything else aligns accordingly, which makes the circulation easy and accessible. Like this, giving a character to your space and making it a stronger focal point can be an armchair or a bay window with a beautiful view or a balcony, so you can choose your focal point well and arrange things accordingly. Like you can see in the above image, and the furniture is all rotated towards the view from the balcony, and that promotes an easy circulation. This is another example for focal point, where in the places with harsh winters have the focal point as a fireplace and all the furniture revolves around it like you can see in the above image. With this, I hope the meaning of focal point is understood and you can adopt this while designing your living room. Moving on to the next tip, that is an L-shaped sofa. Okay, so how does a L-shaped sofa help in a space restricted living room? Firstly, a L-shaped sofa accommodates more number of people than a regular single-seater or a double-seater. People can sit adjacent to each other rather than side by side, facilitating comfortable conversations. Plus, since it's a relatively low seating, it makes the room seem taller and more voluminous. In case you need to see a lot of people in the same small space, and also can be converted into a sofa cum bed. Next, it also occupies the inaccessible corner of the room, standing against the wall, freeing up more circulation area in the middle of the room. Also, you can add in a huge armchair, a reading chair or a swing, or even 2 regular chairs would do for that matter, to complete the seating arrangement. Now, moving on to the next tip, that is elevate the furniture. So here, elevate or floating does not really mean flying the furniture in air, which isn't really possible, but states that we need to see clear floor lines, which is not possible if you add large bulky sofas, TV units and shelves. So here, clear floor lines gives the illusion of larger space because the vision is not cut due to any obstacle, or rather go for a long-legged furniture than tiny legs or wall-hanging shelves and TV units. This is a very important tip and will help you make the room seem longer and more voluminous. Next is adding up long fabrics. So fabric plays an important role in interior decorating your house because they are more flexible and easy to style and can be replaced whenever. So the 2 very important fabrics in your living room are the curtains and the carpets. For curtains, always stick to the floor to ceiling length, neglecting the height of the window, which is usually 5 feet to 7 feet as standard. This length creates vertical lines in the rooms and gives an illusion of length and height to the ceiling. Same goes in for the carpet. Make sure you go in a carpet beyond the circulation space, with vertical or horizontal lines would help the space look larger and longer, similar to the fabrics. Moving on to the next tip, that is minimal color palette. Talking about the colors, the lighter the color palette, it reflects more light and looks bigger and brighter. With dark shades, a small space will look more tiny and dull. So avoid loud, vibrant colors. Also, do not go with too many colors in the same space. Like if the space includes 2 functions like a dining and a living in the same space with no specific demarcation, make sure you run the same color palette throughout the space. Monochromes will work very well, and a maximum of 3 colors with neutral shades will be perfectly fine in a single space. Moving on to the next tip, that is accessorize utilize smartly. Accessories can be anything from photo frame, vases, plants, frames, pillows. That is the decorative items which you do not need to add too many, or the place might look cluttered. One of the most important accessories to create the illusion of volume is a strategically placed large mirror. It is a beautiful accessory to maximize space and double the vision of the living room. Doing this on a wall opposite to a window will maximize natural light and act as a focal point at the same time. Another great accessory is art grouping. Adding paintings or prints in a group of 3, 4 or 6 would make the space look more put together and leave a homely impact to the overall space. And finally, last but not the least, this is once my favorite, that is add a lot of indoor plants. It will make your living room look classy and fresh. Also, adding up a tall plant or long creepers will add into the length and make your living room look welcoming and fresh at all times. So make sure you do this in any condition, even if your room is small or tiny or large living room. Plants are evergreen and can be shifted anywhere throughout the year. Even though you're doing this up for a rented space for now, these pieces and tips are evergreen and will fit in any kind of space if strategically placed, and can move in and out easily. So here we come to the end of the video. I hope these tips were helpful for you to style your living room. We are coming up with more such videos, so consider to subscribe and hit the bell button. And for now, see you in the next video. Bye.